The group that I saw today were level 3 and 4.
Yes.
Okay, well, threes.
Threes.
They were your threes. Okay, so what is the bottom line for a step 3?
The bottom line for a step 3 is I want to say self-reliance. That's step 4. So what do I do? Right? Ask themselves, what do I do when I get when I come to a tricky word? How can I help myself?
And it's the word solving.
Right.
And then they ask themselves that prompt so that they can then go back through the strategies that they're learning from you. When you said sound it out, or excuse me, use the first letter or look at the beginning sounds, are they doing that when they read?
One trend that I do that I have been noticing, which I spoke to you about, is that a lot of them they're saying the wrong word and then they're continuing on. So they're not asking themselves, does it make sense? So oftentimes they will put another word in there for it. And so I do see that beginning sounds is a trend that still needs development. So I think that should stay up because they oftentimes are not using the beginning sounds to help them. They're not using the beginning sounds and then looking at the picture to see what could that word be.
Okay. So can we pull out the book we had today?
Yes.
Was there a time, Carlos Goes Camping, was there a time today when they were not self-correcting and saying a completely different word?
In Carlos Goes Camping, they were not. They were using, they were not making up any words. They were not saying incorrect words. Their main focus and their main error was the word solving, specifically when two vowels are together in the middle, such as near, N-E-A-R.
So if they were to try to, let's say sleeping was the word, if they were to try to decode sleeping, what might happen?
They would sound it out at first. They would say sleep, and then they should know ing. So I think they would sound it out with a short vowel, E, but they are attending to the beginning sound, so they do know that the first sound is S. They know that makes a sol.